Hello, real folks. I'm Dr. Shravanti Alisiri, real estate expert. So, the huge landlords who are holding acres of land in their local areas or in the city premises, who are having a legacy of properties or ancestral properties in the mid of the city or in the outskirts of the city, they recent times in the real estate there is a current scenario change where the landlord itself is coming into play as a developer basically. See, usually in the previous if we go back to 20 years or 15 years back, usually the landlords will be giving their land to the real estate developers, and then that real estate developer will be coming into the market with the sale of that particular property. But nowadays, because of the huge market gaps or even landlord has identified once the development of their land is done, how much price they are getting, and once it is marketed by the individual company, how that see, for example, like if they purchase land at some 1 rupee, we guess we'll talk in a smaller terms. See, if they purchase the land at 1 rupee, so they from the landlord, and the developer will be developing all the amenities, all the infra in that particular project, and he bought the land at 1 rupee, and with all the development costing and with all the permissions and everything, he is going to sell that particular project at 6 rupees. So the landlord is observing that acha, he just bought for 1 rupee, and with all these things he is selling my land itself for 6 rupees. He is not going to see that he has kept lots of investment on the development and also the permissions. So in this aspect, lots of lots of landlords, they are thinking to give the land for they themselves are thinking to do their own development. And most importantly, when this pattern is changing, the landlord itself is coming to the market directly. Even the prices are not affordable. Even that landlord is also topping up with all the prices like a regular developer, and then they are selling. So for a buyer, there is no much gap from the landlord and even from the developer. So for the landlord perspective, whether they should develop the land or whether they should sell it out for outright, see, it is totally to their individual perception, because a couple of people who are holding their ancestral properties, they might be independent players, they might be business owners, they are into different fields basically, and they just don't want to come into real estate. Those kind of a people, they just give that land to any reputed real estate company, or they will give to any developers, and they just sell it out for outright, and they'll be just done with that property. But couple of landlords who are just gaining the knowledge and they just want to come into the market is completely a different scenario. So it's totally your independent individual choice whether you should give your land for development or you should do your own development based upon the costing. See, if you sell it out for outright, your amount, you will gain your net amount, that's all. Whether you go for a development, definitely you have to put your developing cost over there, and after developing, you can be a landlord and you can be a developer as well. See, if if you are both the landlord and developer, you have to choose for an marketing expert. Although if you want to play all the three roles, then you just follow the affordability sector. See, I have done development, I am the person marketing, so don't add all this costing to the property and then don't sell it up for a very higher price. So based upon your basic land price and your costings for development and for the marketing, then choose if you have that capability. See, whereas when you are selling your land outright to directly to any person, that is transaction with only one person. If when you want to come directly into the marketplace, you have to answer n number of independent investors who are going to invest or buy the buy the plots or buy the flats, whatever the sector you are into, they are going to buy. So you have to answer to n number of people. It's all about time, and it's all about the knowledge that you are having for that particular project. So it is totally on your independent choice. So coming to the price aspect, which sector will give you more returns, is basically, obviously, see, any product which is raw is with that base price, which is added with developments, with the amenities and all, definitely the price is going to get hike. So it is totally dependent on your choice. So the landlords who are having a more number of land bank and having their time to invest in that particular sector, definitely you just choose on what capacity you can run. So definitely for more kind of such informations, if you are having any land bank or if you are having any residential or commercial properties, definitely follow Real Boom channel for more updates, and also follow our website relatedrealestate.in for more such information and clarifications on your investments.